Hey Glam Dolls, I am too excited to be sharing with you all today the full 18-piece collection of the LA Colors Oh So Shiny Lippies that were recently released. These lippies are available in your local Family Dollar stores, but I want to get started on this video. So, first color up, this color is going to be called Glistening. And the first thing I noticed when you apply these lippies, they're super creamy when applied. Glistening is like a good neutral color and it's very moisturizing on the skin. So the next color up right here is called GLEAM, and much like Glistening, it's very, very neutral, just a tad bit darker, and again very moisturizing on the skin. And that's because these lippies are infused with macadamia seed oil. So now we're stepping into some real color right here. This color is called Radiant, and again, I could see where they say it's so oh so shiny, because as I'm turning my hand you kind of see the shine going, but they are very, very pigmented. I give them credit for that. So now we're really bumping things up in the color. This color is called Flash, and it is very bright. Yeah, this color is very, very bright. I'm gonna have to hold that one to the side. Now, oh my gosh, you know me, I love a good red lippy, and this color right here is called Luster. And with Luster, it's so moisturizing, so creamy, so pigmented. Color you see, you're definitely going to get, and that's what impressing me so far with these lippies. Stepping back into the neutral zone, this color right here is called Twinkle. And Twinkle is definitely going to need a lip pencil of some sort because it's a little bit too pale for me. But depending on your skin tone, this may work well for you. But I'm going to hold this one off to the side. Stepping back into a little bit more color. This color right here is called Beam. And I kind of feel like it's a little bit on the coral pink side. And it's very, very cute. I'm liking this one. Yeah. I'm liking this one. I'm going to hold on to this one. So as I mentioned before, these colors are extremely pigmented. They're not chalky when applied. Very, very moisturizing, and that's because each of them is infused with macadamia seed oil, which helps to glide on effortlessly easy, and it keeps your lips super, super hydrated. And this color right here is kind of like a burnt orange a little bit. So now we're kind of getting a little bit into the vampy side of things, and I was super excited when I saw this one in the box. This color is called Dazzle, and again it's a little bit for the fall, but I'm liking that it have a little bit also of a purplish hue. You get that right there? Yeah, when you turn a little bit, it got a little bit of a purplish hue. I'm definitely going to hold on to this one without a doubt. Now we really stepping into the get down with the brown family. Yes, this one is called Bronzed, and again I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. I'm loving that it's super, super pigmented, as I've already said before. All of these lippies, as you're seeing as I apply them, color you see, you're definitely going to get. By the way, this one is Ruby Shine. Again, it's not quite red, but it's kind of red-ish. At least that's kind of the color I'm getting from it. Now, you know, cooling it down a little bit on the mauvey pink side. This one is called Iced. And again, it's a mauvish pink color, but it's definitely giving off another hue, like a slight tint of a purplish hue behind it. I'm liking that these lippies are doing that, kind of giving you a 2-for-1. Going back, still with the side of pinks here, bringing it all the way back. This one is called Slick. I don't know who named these lippies, but the names are just too cute. So looking at this color called Slick, I see where they're going with it. You know, it's a little bit on the bright pink side. Now this color, this is called Razzle. I'm kind of not totally feeling Razzle. Yeah, Razzle, I'm going to have to probably put that to the side or something. But you know, hey, if it works for you, then it works for you. But Razzle, I think I'm gonna pass on that one. Going right back to my nudes, because you know me, I'm a neutral girl at heart. Had to take it back to BLING, and this one is definitely on a pale nude-ish side, so I can totally see needing a lip liner with this one of some sort, especially a tint or two darker. But I'm still liking that it's still giving off that extra sheen, almost looking like a lip gloss. So now we're moving back into the bright side of things. This is called Sassy. And I'm really enjoying Sassy. It's like a fun color red. I definitely can see sportiness for the summer, or if I just want to brighten, get a nice bright lip going. Yeah, I was feeling that color right there. So now we moving back. This is called Polished. And look at Polished. Yeah, this is going to be a fave of mine. Matter of fact, I'm going to put this in my purse right now. And this brings us to our last lippy that I will be sharing with you. This one is called Starlight. And Starlight is again on the nude side of things. A little bit of a pinkish hue behind it, but that one is called Starlight. And on that note, dolls, this just concluded the video. These were all the LA Colors ultra rich and oh so shiny lippies that I was able to share with you all today. Keep in mind, these lip colors, they are shimmery, they are high gloss, and they are enriched with macadamia seed oil. So it's soft, it's comfortable. You're going to be able to wear these lippies all day. And they all are available on lacolors.com website, or you can also visit your local Family Dollar stores and you can find them there. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.